SchoolFreeware's Install WordPress 7 on Windows 11 and 10 tutorial. XAMPP is a free download at ApacheFriends.org. XAMPP is a web server software suite that allows WordPress to run. WordPress is a free download at WordPress.org. At ApacheFriends.org, download the latest version of XAMPP for Windows. Run the installer. Click OK. Next. Next. Install XAMPP directly to the C drive. Next. Select the language. Next. Next. Then finish. Now go to WordPress.org. At WordPress.org, click on Get WordPress. Then download WordPress. Then open File. Open the WordPress folder. Select everything, Ctrl-A. Then copy, Ctrl-C. Go to the C drive. XAMPP. htdocs. And then paste. Ctrl-V. Replace index.php. Now go to the XAMPP control panel. Start Apache. Allow. Start MySQL. Allow. Click on Admin for MySQL. Click on New. The database name I'll have as WordPress main. And make sure that you have selected UTF-8MB4_general_CI. Then click Create. Then close down the local host. Then go to the htdocs folder. Inside of the htdocs folder, go to WP config sample. Right mouse click and edit in Notepad. Change the database settings. Remove database name here and replace it with the name that you gave the database inside of MySQL. Mine was WordPress main. The username will be root. Remove password here. Make sure that you have the single quotes and then go and save. Close Notepad. Now find the wp-config-sample file in htdocs and rename to wp-config. Next, go to the web browser and type in localhost. Press enter. The WordPress installation comes up. Select your language. Click Continue. Type in a site title, username, and password. You may want to have a stronger password. Your email, and then finally install WordPress. Click on Login, enter your username or email address, and password. Click on Login, and WordPress is now installed. If you had shut down XAMPP and WordPress, to get back into WordPress, open up XAMPP, start Apache, and start MySQL. Inside of a web browser, type in localhost/wp-login.php. Enter in your username and password. Click on Login, and you're now logged into your WordPress.